Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Wards. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I operate a 14-inch CGXL 1400 high-definition telescope, and I found a lot of proof that the moon could possibly be actively visited, if not maybe even possibly inhabited. I have the proof. Thanks for the support, everyone, the shares, stopping by, and being an amazing part of this wonderful community. So we're going to look at some close-ups, and then we're going to jump right into this. Is a nice little sweet short video. We're going to look at some sundogs. Those not familiar with what that is, it's a light refraction around the sun. Sometimes it can appear several times. Sometimes they look like planets around the sun. But I found some sky phenomenon. This is the only thing I can call it. Maybe daytime UFOs flying into that light. But when the chemtrails go by, and for whatever the reason, in the last couple of days, they've been very active again. And Christmas is coming up, the holidays, so I will have a lot more time to do some researching. And again, that big surprise for you all in January that I'm keeping till January 2019. Stick around and see what the surprise is, everyone. You're all going to be very happy. More time to get some work in, guys, and that's what's coming for me. The terminator line, excuse me, the terminator line, a beautiful phenomenon that permits us to see magnified surfaces of the moon. All that line, that terminator line, shows us elevation, shows us color, shows us structures, objects, natural or not, but it's showing us a lot of detail, and for whatever the reason, it sort of lifts that lunar veil all along that line. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Not only could these be UFOs, daytime UFOs, but they could also be debris, asteroids in Earth's lower atmosphere, without ruling that out.